Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install macOS Tahoe 26.4 on your Mac. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open System Settings and here you should get Software Update Available notification. Click on it and here you should get an option to update your Mac to macOS Tahoe 26.04. However, if you haven't received the notification, simply click on General. Then click on Software Update and check for Software Update. And here you should get an option to update your macOS. Simply click on Update Now button and accept the license agreement. Now enter your system password, then click on OK. And wait for the update process to complete. Once done, you will get an option to restart your system. Simply click on Restart button to apply the update. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.